All right. Hello. I'm Manager Asa, and this is the final project for the SOA class ITMD 566. So basically, we're going to demo our what we've done here. So first of all, we're going, since I've made only my profile services to the database. So we should first of all connect to the local server. So we started the VAMP server and make sure that it works or not. So localhost and phpMyAdmin, and the profile service database is the database that I used for the profile services, and the table name is profile, which already have 3 fields. Alright, so let's go through that. So basically, this is our message, which contains the message services and profile services, and also comment services, and also the resources, the models, and the databases. As I told you, only profile database has connected to the database. Alright, so first we are going through the message services. First of all, it requires to start of our services. Alright, it seems that it's fine. So let's just try to our REST client, Postman, to demo and show our services. Okay. So first of all, we are going to show our message services. So we just want this is the first field when you search the messages. So we want to get all of our services. So the URI, the resource that we use is messages / web API / messages. And when we are going to send this item, alright, it seems that it's okay, and we've got so far 2 messages. One of them is mine, which is created today, and we chose first message, and second of all is also mine, which is created today. It has the to ID and how are you doing is the messages. Alright, this is so get all messages. So for example, if you want to get a specific message, we search by the ID. For example, we want to ID number 2 to see the details. So as you can probably see, this is the message number 2, which is created today, my name, and it has also links. These links is basically based on the self, based on the profiles, and based on the comments. And also, this is the same for the other messages here. We have the links for the ourselves, profile, and comments. Alright, so it's time to go and add message services when you want to add something. So basically, let's just copy and paste this, and going with a post. Alright, let's just fix this. So imagine that we want to create a new message. We don't need links. We don't need ID as well, and we don't need the created. Only author and message. So author is me. So this is our third message. So we have to submit that. Alright, it's okay, and it returns our. So in order to see if it's submitted or not, we got a requery of all the messages. And yes, we added one another messages. Let's just add another one. This is the fourth message. And everything's fine so far. It got okay. So when we go to require for all messages, so it added the new one. And for example, if we want to check for details about one of them, it shows the ID and the links and my name and the messages. So we are going to upload, for example, the last message. So we keep it here. Only thing that we have to do is posting and put. Alright, for the updating, and we just copy and paste it. Alright, I don't think that we need to upload these ones. So I want to kind of said that, wow, this is the updated version. And I just realized that the author should also mention about the final project. Sorry. Alright, it got okay. And it seems that the message ID 4 has been changed. Okay, so for make sure, let's just query all messages, and we can see that the message 4 has been updated. Alright, so we want to also check if the deletes is working or not. So we go for the deleting, and if you want to delete, for example, we want to delete message ID 3. So if you go to the ID 3 and we use delete, so it seems that there is no content, which is fine. So we are querying all the messages. So as we can probably see, there is no message which with the ID number 3. So it seems that it works. Alright. So this is the message services that we checked. Second, we are going to check the profile services. The profile services, which I will send the code to you also as well. And alright. So we are going, since we just implemented in our message services, so we use only by our message services, but for files. So as I told you, we just used our database. So as you can probably see in our code, there is a database here which connects directly to our server. We used MySQL as a DBMS, and we're gonna connect to our roots and to our database, and the table name is profile service, the profile table. All right. So let's just check if it works or not. So first of all, so far we've got 3 fields, which is this: the profile name Manu 123, SIA 1234, and Manu FB account. All right. So let's just check. All right. So as you can probably see, we have the 3. It's connected to the database and get all the profiles. Get all profiles. So if, for example, if we want to search for some specific profiles, in this time we can search by the profile name. So imagine that we want to search for my first profile name, which is Manu 1234. All right. Let's just query. Yeah. Alright, so it says that the first message pops up and each one has the link. So the link that we shown in the profile basically is based on the message and the self link. So as you can see, the links and the profile name, and this is for querying and get the specific profile name. We can get another one to make sure about the links. So for example, SIA 134. Alright. Let's just query. Yep. As you can probably see, it has its own links, which is self and for the self and for the messages. Alright, so we are going to add to our database new fields. So all we want is that to copy and paste it. Go to the post. Alright. Alright, sorry, since there is nobody, let's just open it again. Sorry about that. So alright, so this is the messages and we are recording for the profiles. So we want to add, as I told you. So in the body, we should adjust it to JSON and alright, so I want to add a new profile. So it doesn't, we don't need the links, we don't need ID. All we want is first name, last name, and profile name. Alright, so let's just say that my name is Manager. My last name is Asa, which is that new Asa. Asa, and profile name Final Project profile. Alright. So as you can probably see, each profile has a comments and entry too. Alright. So it seems that we are good. We just added and its ID is 3. So let's just for the checking all the profiles. Alright, see? It's added. Manager, Asa, and a final project profile. Let's just add a new one, 2, again. Sorry, it just, again, I need a body and there is some deficiency in the Postman. I should restart it sometimes. Alright. Sorry about the... So, if we go and query it for the all, we have the force. And if you check our databases and refresh it, see? It's added the new profile here. It's a profile name. So let's just add another one. Alright, post. Oh my god. Alright, so for the post body, alright, so let's just add new profile. Alright, so let's just say Alex, and Alex Ferguson, and Alex 1 2 3 4. Alright, so let's just submit that, adjust it to a JSON file. Alright, so it seems that it's okay. So if we query for all of them, yep, it seems that it added. So if we go to the database again and refresh it, yep, it just added. Alright, so for updating it, we're just going for the put and body. Alright, so imagine that we want to update the Alex. So all we need is that to search for the ID. Its ID is 4. So Alex update, Ferguson update, and also profile name update. Let's just make sure everything's fine. Okay, and it seems that it changed the profile number ID 5. So let's go and check if it's okay or not. Yep, it seems that it has been changed. So let's go to the database to check if it's okay or not. Yep, we see that Alex 1 2 3 4 dash update, Alex update, Ferguson update. Alright, great, so it means that it has been changed. Alright, so another thing is if you want to delete the one of our profiles, for example the updated one, we want to delete that. So we directly go to the delete, and if we go for the ID number, which is a 5, so alright, so this one, it seems that has been deleted. Let's check if it's okay or not. Yep, it seems that there is no profile ID called ID 5. Let's just try it for the number 4. Before that, let's just check if it's okay or not. Yep, it has been removed. So let's just check it with the number 4. I want to delete that also. So alright, seems that it's fine. Alright, yep, it shows that it returns the deleted profile. And alright, yep, it seems that everything's fine, and the profile number ID 4 has been deleted. And yeah, here is also deleted. And so I think that we've covered the profile services for the get, all, get, add, update, and delete. Alright, so as you can probably see, we can also go for the comments. We have deployed the comment services, which I will cover it in the code section and submit it to the Blackboard. So basically, each message has its own comments. So if we go for the messages, these all 3 messages has its own comments. Alright, so let's just try to use one message number 1. Alright, this is the message number 1 with its links. So it has its own comments. Let's check the comments of it. Alright, as you can probably see, the message number ID 1 has its own comments, which has author, comment, created date, ID, and also As you can probably see, the comment for the message number 1 is comment 2 and it's ID 2, and the date is the exact same date. Alright. So we want to add a new comment basically. So if you want to add a new comment, so all we can do, before that, for example, if you want to query for the specific comment, we just mentioned the ID. For example, ID number 2. It will show you the detail of each comment. All right. So for example, when we want to add a new, so we copied that. We are going to posting in the body section. All right. So we want to add a new comment, which is my name and Alright, so sorry about the inconvenience. So comments number 3, and we should eliminate that part. Yep, it works. So as you can probably see, we just added the ID number and the author and the comment, so it will be added. So let's just check if it's, yep, it seems that the comments has been added and we have a new comment. We have a new comment here, which is comment number 3 and manager, and we can also query the specific comment to check if it's okay or not. Yep. And also imagine that we want to update it. Alright, so I want to say that comment update, so updated version. SOA. Alright. So it seems that it's fine. And are we fine? Yep. It seems that it has been changed. So let's just query all of them. Yep. It seems that the comment 3 has been updated. Alright, so let's just go and add some more. For example, number 4, comment number 4. Add comment number 4. In this time, Alex wants to change comment 4. It's for the SOA Final Project. Alright, so it seems that's fine, so we're ready to go. Yep. So if we query for all the comments, it got added. So imagine that we want to delete ID number 3. So we are going to only mention ID number 3. We want to be deleted. So it seems that it got deleted. So let's just check it if it's in our comments or not. See? Yep. It seems that it's okay. It seems that it's okay and it's not on our comments anymore. Alright, so it seems that we covered the comment services as well. We have covered message services and profile services also. And we will cover the links for the messages, which has a self link, profile link, and comment link. And links for the profile services also, which contains self services and message services. So alright, so I think that everything's fine, and we are going to and also I mentioned about documented. Alright, so I think that we've covered everything so far. Thank you very much for watching my demo. So have a really nice day. Take care. Bye bye.